How to set up for a hack squat. One of the first things that we'll notice as well are the different fixed points, the attachment points. This will be our stopper highlighted in red, as well as the stopper underneath. Same thing for the range of motion and the stability. So it's a little bit more awkward to get in for the height of this, so I can grab onto my foot platform. Again, I'll start off by pulling up on my wedge here and pulling the pin for the little peg just to adjust the stopper. If it's my first time in this machine, similar to the pendulum squat, I'll set that a little bit higher just to kind of gauge and feel this out. Different than the leg press, my body on this sled is going to move with it. Any additional weights, there's one on both sides of this platform, can be added in the form of plates. But since I am moving my body, I'm moving away from the platform. I'm not just staying in a fixed position for the leg press, pushing the platform away. So I'm moving my body weight for resistance as well. I'll have one hand underneath the handle. As I set in, I'll step onto my small plate at the bottom here, one at a time. I'll wedge my shoulders underneath the pads here. A couple positions with how I can have my hands. Tight grip on the handles. Just keeping that strong position with the elbows kind of tucked in underneath the wrists and the shoulders. Hand remains under the handle until I'm ready to push off. So make sure that I'm stabilized through those points that I just mentioned, whether we're going to choose for that hand grip. Then once I'm ready, I'll set my legs in the position they need to be in, watching that they're not going to lift off, so I keep that whole foot contact. Once I'm ready, both hands are set. As soon as I push off with the legs, that stopper is going to fall out of place. So now we're able to freely move, and you'll see my whole body is going to move within these tracks on the sled here. We use that bottom stopper again for that range of motion and also for stability, because now I have an exit point should I need to get out. For that last repetition, we'll pull up on the handle. Then the legs, I have to hold the handle until we hear that lock back into place. And then we're safe to climb out. I'll step down again, 1 foot at a time on the small platform. There's a hack squat.